I'm Dane with Ceramic Pro, and you may ask yourself, why do I need to get my windows tinted? Or what happens to my car if I don't get the windows tinted? Well, let's take a look inside here and I'll explain why. So whether you have leather or fabric interior, I guarantee there's a lot of plastic in there as well. So what happens when the sun comes through your windows without tint? They get hit with UV rays, and those UV rays are going to age your interior. They're gonna cause it to crack, fade, and be brittle. Another thing that's great about window tint is it doesn't have to be dark to get that same performance. For example, you can choose to have your windows tinted with the lightest shade that we offer, which is 80%, which represents the amount of light being let through the film, so it's virtually clear. Now, having a film like this, you're going to block out a ton of heat, as well as all those harmful UV rays that can cause the interior of your car to age. So when I talk about the interior of your car aging, I'm talking about leather seats, the steering wheel, plastic dashboards, and any kind of fabric that you have inside your car. They can all dry out, crack, get brittle, and look terrible, which will also decrease the value of your car. There are many options that you can choose for window tint, and the highest performing available is the Ultimate IR. This will provide the most comfort and heat rejection for you while you're inside your car. For a free quote or for more information, visit ceramicpro.com.